Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the 10th class Social Science Economics Chapter 3 Money and Credit 1 marks questions. Let us start. First question is recognize the situation when both the parties in a water economy have to agree to sell and buy each other commodities. What is called? The answer is that इट इज़ कॉल्ड डबल कॉन्सिडेंस ऑफ वांट्स यानी कि आवश्यकताओं का दोहरा संयोग. व्हाट इज वाटर सिस्टम? ए सिस्टम विच रेफर टू एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स विदाउट द यूज ऑफ मनी इज कॉल्ड वाटर सिस्टम. यानी कि वस्तु विनिमय क्या था कि वस्तु को बदले वस्तु प्रदान करना बिना पैसे के. व्हाट इज क्रेडिट? Credit refer to an agreement in which the lender supplies the borrower with the money, goods and service in return for repayment in defined period is called credit. Next question, why money is accepted as medium of exchange? When money act as an intermediate in the exchange process, it is called as medium of exchange. What is called currency? करेंसी किसे कहते हैं? ए मॉडर्न फॉर्म ऑफ मनी लाइक पेपर, नोट, coins is called currency. You can say that phone pay, UPI, net banking is also currency. What is a check? A check is paper instruction the bank to pay a specific amount from the person account to the person in whose name the check has been made. It's called a check. What are called demand deposits? A deposits in the bank account which can be withdrawn on demand are called demand deposit. Which is the apex bank of India? RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is the apex bank of India. It is issue currency notes behalf of the central government. Before the advent of money or introduction of coins, which two form of objective were used as money. Coin and kettles were used as the measure of money before its actual introduction. ये आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा. In India, which types of currency is widely accepted as the medium of exchange? Answer, rupees is widely accepted a medium of exchange. Why money is referred to as a medium of exchange? Give two reasons. Money is accepted as medium of change because it can be easily exchanged for any commodity or service. It eliminates that need for double constituents of bonds. It acts as an intermediate in the exchange process. Who issue currency notes in India? Currency is issued by the RBI on behalf of central government. Give two examples of formal sources of credit. Banks or cooperatives. सोसाइटी इसको बोलते हैं. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट SHG? द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट SHG, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स. विच इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ क्रेडिट फॉर द रिच हाउस होल्ड्स? द सोर्स ऑफ क्रेडिट आर द मेन बैंक्स एंड फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ क्रेडिट फॉर द रिच हाउस होल्ड इन इंडिया. What is include in formal and informal lender resources of credit? Formal lender resources include those resources which are controlled by the government. Banks, cooperatives fall into the formal category, while informal lender resources include money lenders, traders, relatives and friends. Define the concept cash reserve ration. Bank always keeps some parts of the total amount deposit as a cash reserve to meet the needs of the depositor. That part of the total deposits which the bank keep with itself in the cash form called is the cash reserve ratio. यहाँ रेशियो लिखा हुआ क्वेश्चन के अंदर, ये जो है रेशियो होगा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट डबल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंस ऑफ वांट्स, यानी कि आवश्यकता और संयोग से आप क्या समझते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन कट गया है. अब चाहो तो मैं इसको ऐसे ही बता सकता हूँ, इसको हम बाद में देखेंगे, पहले अगले क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ NSSO. इट इज फुल फॉर्म इज नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कभी कभी एक नंबर में क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाता है. व्हाट डज द कॉन्सेप्ट नाबार्ड स्टैंड फॉर. नाबार्ड की फुल फॉर्म क्या है, कभी कभी ये भी आ जाता है. तो नाबार्ड स्टैंड फॉर नेशनल बैंक फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट. What do you know about the concept of monetary system? A system of exchange in which every good or service is sold against money and in return can be purchased is monetary system. What is called saving? Saving क्या होती है? An amount of money that one does not need to use or spend is called savings. जिसको हम यूज नहीं करते, हम जमा कर देते हैं. Define the concept collateral. And assets that the borrower on the use a guarantee to lender until the loan is repaid is called collateral. What include in term of credit? तो इसमें collateral, mode of repayment, interest of rate. How many member is generally in SGG? SHG. Yeah, what is the composition of SHG? Write the brief. The typical SHG has 15 to 20 member usually belonging to a one neighborhood. ये आपस में पड़ोसी होते हैं और स्पेशली महिलाओं के लिए होता है. Who help the borrowers to overcome the problem of lack of collateral and also is the rural poor. SHG helps borrower to overcome the problem to lack of collateral and also they are building blocks of organization in the rural poor. What did people deposit their money in bank? People deposit their money in the bank with two aims. First, keep their money safe in bank and get interest in return. Next question है, name of two formal and two informal sources of rural credit in India. The name cooperative societies, regular commercial bank. Two informal sources of credit in India, relative and friends, local money lender, जो पड़ोस में आपके साहूकार टाइप के होते हैं. State any two advantage of formal sources of credit. First, these resources work under the supervision of Reserve Bank of India. The policy is transparent and open to all. There is least chance to dishonesty while dealing with the rural customers. Second point is the rate of interest of formal sources of credit is always lower than in informal ones. What are function of money? Function of money: primary function, medium of exchange, measure of values, secondary functions, and store of value, standard of deferred payment, and transfer of value. What are transactions are made is money because money is easily acceptable and person holding money can easily exchange it for any commodities of service that he or she might wants. What is called a medium of exchange? Because it acts as intermediate in the exchange of process. What is the most essential feature of the barter system? Double constituents of bonds. Give two reasons why the supervision of RBI over the bank is necessary. The supervision of RBI is necessary due to following reasons. First, it ensures safety to bank deposit of people. Its help of collection of economic data all over the countries. It's contain corrupt practice that may creep within banks. तो दिस इज द 1 marks question for the important for you board classes. Thanks for watching this video.